Hi, and welcome to another ITS Servicing Showcase video. I'm Prav.
And I'm Sophia, and today we're going to be showing you step by step how to service an Alfa Laval LKH centrifugal pump.
Start by unscrewing the coupling guard. Then remove the pump cover nuts which holds the pump cover together with the backplate. Unscrew the impeller nut by counter holding it with a screwdriver. Then safely remove the impeller by turning it anti-clockwise. Next, unscrew the stationary seal clockwise by using the Alfa Laval stationary seal tool. And then take the drive ring and mechanical seal assembly away from the shaft. Remove the backplate O-ring. Be sure to use Alfa Laval genuine spare parts so as not to invalidate your warranty and get the best out of your pump. These can be purchased directly from ITS. When greasing the O-rings, use the lubricant provided within the Alfa Laval service kit or an alternative food safe grease, making sure that the O-ring is entirely lubricated. Refit the O-ring onto the backplate. Lubricate the O-ring before placing it back into the rotary seal face. Grease the O-ring and place it into the stationary seal groove. Carefully apply IPA solvent onto a lint-free tissue or a clean rag and wipe it on the seal faces to ensure that they are free of residue or grease. When fitting the drive ring and mechanical seal back onto the shaft, ensure the notch on the shaft and on the drive ring are in alignment. Whilst holding the shaft still, gently rotate the mechanical seal assembly from side to side to ensure the notch is aligned. Using the stationary seal tool, screw the stationary seal anti-clockwise into the backplate, making sure that the rotary seal face contacts the stationary seal face. When combining the drive ring with the spring, ensure that the notch on the drive ring aligns with the notch on the rotary seal face when compressed. By counter holding the coupling on the shaft, screw the impeller onto the shaft in a clockwise rotation. Check the clearance between the backplate and impeller to ensure it is within the clearance specified by the manufacturer. Counter hold the shaft with a screwdriver when torquing up the impeller nut. Please check the instruction manual for the recommended torque values. Lastly, fit the pump cover onto the backplate by aligning all 6 studs and torque to the recommended torque values. Please see instruction manual for further details. Refit the coupling guard by screwing it into the pre-drilled hole in the pump housing. By using genuine spare parts and adopting an effective maintenance approach, this can prevent unplanned downtime and keep your production up and running for longer.
Thanks for watching this ITS service showcase.
If you found this helpful, then make sure to follow us for more.